Mama Maggie gotere that.
Mama Maggie gotere Maggie mata Maggie na bachaka.
Mama Maggie gotere Maggie lacha Mama Maggie gotere.
Igbo kwezuonu. We are live here at the 042 Festival, Enugu State, Nigeria. Happening here at Opera Square, Enugu, Nigeria. It is all about culture, diversity, food, and language. My name is Miracle Wachuku, also known as Favorite Mimi, reporting from Naira Triangle. So follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our Facebook and Instagram. So we are going to be here asking people the question about the popular food in Igbo land. How do you prepare your favorite native dish? And of course, we also play a game. So join us as we interview the people here. Keep watching Naira Triangle. It is happening right here in 042 Festival, Enugu State, Nigeria. And I have with me a beautiful lady here. May we know you?
I'm Igbo Lilian Chinaza.
Chinaza, where are you from?
I'm from Nsukka.
Nsukka, look very beautiful today. I love your outfit. It's giving 10 over 10. So Chinaza, the first question is, what are the popular food in Igbo land?
Okpa, achicha, and abacha.
Okay, beautiful. So what is your native food in Nsukka? Achicha.
Yes.
So in 30 seconds, how can you prepare it?
First of all, you will cook your fio. Then after that, you fry your onion, your pepper, and all of this orishi. Then after that, you can actually mix them together.
And that's it. Very simple food. So this is the last game. You say it very, very fast. Rhymes. You say this rhyme very, very fast. Are you with me? So this is the game. Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. So you have to say it very fast. Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. Very fast. Are you ready? 3, 2. Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. Shebi. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, 4.
Mama Maggie go tere Maggie lacha Mama Maggie go tere.
Ha, Achalugo, will you marry me?
Odiogu, no.
Okay, I have with me an Achalugo right here. So Achalugo, may we know you?
Okay, I'm Chinaza Cynthia.
Chinaza. So Chinaza, where are you from?
I'm from Enugu Ezike in Nsukka.
Have you guys noticed that in Nsukka people have been entering this camera? Where are people from?
Yeah, we are fine. We are pretty, so we have to enter now.
Okay, so Chinaza, so what are the popular foods in Igbo land? List them.
We have abacha. We have achicha. Okay, I'm talking about. Are you asking
Generally
about?
Generally in Igbo land.
Generally, then we have okwa. We have so many delicacies here. Yeah.
Okay, so you're from Enugu Ezike. So what is your favorite food from your culture?
Okay, there is this food we have. We used to call it achicha. Achicha, abobo is what they call it here, but in our side we just call it achicha.
Achicha. So you guys are the founder of Achicha?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you prepare it?
Okay, it's with dry cocoyam. You know, they will dry it, then you form that achicha. Then you cook it with fio, and then oil, onions, so many orishi.
Is that orishi that I'm interested in? Okay. So lastly, we have a short, simple game you have to play. So listen, you have to say these words very, very fast.
Okay.
So it is this: Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. You know that game, right? You did it. Just try it. Okay. Just do it for the love of God. All right, ready?
Okay.
3, 2.
Repeat.
Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie lacha Maggie. Mama Maggie go tere. Are you ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mama Maggie go tere Maggie. Maggie racha Maggie. Mama Maggie.
She did it! Give me a high five, smile! On the main Enugu State 042 Festival. And I have with me 2 beautiful Umasa. Babe, please let us know you.
My name is Chineye.
Chineye.
I am Chioma.
Okay, so Chineye, what are the popular foods in Igbo land?
Oha soup. I should list all of them.
Yes.
Abacha, Okpa, Ofako, Egusi, Obono.
You are an Igbo woman indeed. Oya Chioma, Oya give us your own.
She listed everything now.
Hey, mention your own.
Bitter leaf soup. Ofo onubu. Ofo isala. Ukwa. Abacha. Okpa.
That emphasis on Okpa. Okay, so Chichi, so what is your favorite native food?
Oh, my favorite is Arayoka. I did not mention that one. It's an Nsukka food.
So you're from Nsukka?
Yeah, I'm from Nsukka.
Where are you from?
NUSK.
Hey, Enugu SK people. Yeah. So that ayara, I call it again.
Arayoka.
So
So otipiri. Some people call it otipiri.
otipiri.
Yes.
So how do they prepare it?
You prepare it with oka,
Okay.
corn, and any beans that you prefer. Maybe akidi or abubu. Any one of your choice.
Wow. What about you? So what's your favorite?
Ayaya, Oka. And there's something they call Japa with I love it. Japa with Ofo Ogbono in my place. I love it.
Wow. So how do they prepare it? Is it different from the way?
It's like swallow. Japa is swallow.
Okay.
It's made from cassava flour. Oh. Yes, and corn.
Wow, wow. Okay, so we're going to play this game together. Come closer, come closer. But this is the last game. You know this saying, they say you have to say it very, very fast. Okay? Let's listen. Listen to the game. Listen, oh. Okay. Mama Maggie, go tere Maggie. Maggie Lacha, Maggie, Mama Maggie, go tere. Do you get it now?
No.
So you have to say it very fast. Mama Maggie, go tere Maggie. Maggie Lacha, Maggie, Mama Maggie, go tere. Do you understand it? Are you ready? So together, you put say together in this microphone. 3, 2, 1, action.
Mama Maggie go tere Maggie, Maggie lacha Maggie,
Mama
Maggie go
tere.
They did it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Cha 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 cha. What clack it. Clack it. Clack it. Oh my God. So I have with me, and in Igbo Sina, Omalichan Wakala Boy, and a Chalugo in the building. One Makedafage.
Aha mbụ Nwada Helen Ifeoma Ozoeze.
Nka bụ onye Igbo gogo. Onye bekee Igbo.
Onye obi n'Ofia ndị ụnọ n'Eziagụ local government n'Enugu steeti baya.
Coming down to the English language.
Okay.
So, what are the popular foods we have in Igbo land?
Okay, we have varieties. I will ofe onugbo, I will abacha, I will akidi, na ji, I will ofe nsala. I don't know if that was.
Ofe salad.
I will ofe nsala. I will ima efe egusi, ofe ogbono, ofe okro. Funny child, like haburibo, understand? There's a lot. There's variety in Igbo language. I mean, for different local governments or different hometowns, there are different foods that make them stand out, right?
Yeah, that's beautiful. So for you now, from Eziagụ, what's your favorite food from that place?
If I not jibo, I go looking bacha. Hey, I can share with Kandana, but I go if India they may no rich ne yellow aka. So bacha be Malonde Eziagụ. Abacha na ko be oh, of course.
Woma, so can you tell us in 30 seconds how can you prepare that beautiful native food?
Okay, because unga nagidem ge use English, use Igbo. The first thing you get is isinye miracle. Isinye abacha gi na bowl or basin in kobu na egwe. Then e wo ya ma no tekwa aka ko ha fi dede. Ipuputi ya tinya na seed ko go puta mmili. Then e kwado mmanu ge kwado ose, kwado ehuru. Kwado onwuro onsa iye je mi akala okanko. Then e kwado che ya abacha ho go puchazie mmili. Isinya ni me bowl. Ikoye ya niile ikwado che ima itinya egwokọta ya ọnụ. Inene ya nnu nene ya ose makwa ka ihe na-ezu ya ọtọpụtakwa ịghọtago ihe crayfish tinye ya n'ime ihe azụ isi ekpọmọ ihe a niile egwokọsị ya ọnụ isi ụkpaka abacha ga-egokwe ka ya na-ekwe bute aka ịkati kụzi ya anwụ na ngwa na nkwụ na-abịa exactly.
Oh my goodness. So the last one I can use a game. Okay. So you say it very, very fast. Okay. It rhymes. So you say Mama Maggie go tere Maggie, Maggie Lacha, Maggie, Mama Maggie go tere. Very fast. Okay. Mama Maggie go tere Maggie, Maggie Lacha, Maggie, Mama Maggie go tere. Are you ready? Okay. 3. You have to say like at least 2 times. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello.
Just make Odia first now. Make Odia. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
I did not get everything.
Just go now. 3, 2, 1.
Mama Maggie go tere that.
Well, let's go. Try again. I believe in you.
Mama Maggie go tere Maggie Lacha Maggie Mama Maggie go tere.
Omalicha, kedu kimere?
Mama, good evening.
So, Omalicha, please tell us your name.
I'm Jewel Somto.
Somto, where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Abia State. Another local government. Thank God, finally. So, what are the popular foods in Igbo land?
Abacha, Okwobi, and all the rest.
They have plenty, sha, depending.
Hey, yeah, just call the ones you know.
Okay, abacha nkwobi, that is the main one that I like.
The one you like.
Yes.
So let me guess, your favorite food is abacha.
Yes.
So how can it be prepared? How can you prepare abacha?
You just put oil and all the rest, like woko chaya, woko mano, yeni charge, onions and all the rest.
And it's ready.
Now.
Very fast. That's why I like abacha. So this is the last one. You say it very fast. It's a game.
Alright.
So it's Mama Magi Gotere Magi Magi Lacha Magi Mama Magi Gotere.
Mama Magi gotere magi.
Yeah. So you have to wait. Let me call it in. So you say it very very fast. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Mama Magi gotere magi mata magi na bachaka.
She cried. Thank you.